Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Good morning, sweet angel. You look fabulous today. Can I get an awa awa?
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.
So come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it on. Turn it on.
If she a baby mama,
Go ahead.
she gon' do that baby mama.
Work. Uh-oh. Hi. Hi, buddy. Just petting him. And my male cat, Benny, is gonna freak. There he is. I'm sorry. Guys, it's just a sniff. I'm sorry. Guys, really? I wasn't cheating, I swear. Oh, Benny. You guys hate me. Oh my goodness.
I pretended to pass out to see what my dog would do.
Where what? Savannah's in her room with her friend. You can see Savannah later, okay? When she comes downstairs. You can see her later. Okay, yes, good girl.
Sleepyhead. You want a donut? Donut. Excuse me. Who wants to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Come here. Come here, baby. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Where'd it go?
What? Dad gave you a bath? With soap? And then he rinsed you again? Oh my goodness. I can't believe he did that. No way. Oh my goodness. You poor thing. You want some hugs to feel better from your traumatic experience this afternoon? You poor thing. I'll give you some scratches.
You have to stop treating your dogs like they're your children. Dogs aren't children. Stop treating them like they are. You're the kind of person that the dog community hates.
Do you have a little pity? Is she really, really pretty? Does she lick you on the face and give you no personal space? Does she look you in the eye when you leave like mama? Why do you have a little...
Bro, stop! Stop it! Oh, this nigga crazy! He's crazy! Alright, ready?
Use the stairs. Go, use the stairs. Brocky. Use the stairs, boy. Just use the stairs. Come on. You're dumb. Custom-made sofa for Boo Boo. This 20. Are you?
Just for Boo Boo?
Yes, just for Boo Boo. What do you think? Which bed you want, Boo Boo? Which one you want, baby? Oh, okay. Uh-oh, no. Sit in the living room, but it's cute. I get this one. Okay, order this one. You want the color? I don't know what color you want. Okay, brown, okay? Oh my
personal sofa. Nằm xuống. Nằm xuống. Good girl.
I don't think it's enough space for her.
Oh yeah, pussy all the way she jumps.
Whoa! That's perfect.
Are you happy?
The coffee table there.
Chewy, no. Chewy.
What's he trying to do?
Chewy.
Dear Diary, I told the cat about how my dearest human has promoted me, teaching me to shake so I can participate in his business dealings. However, Cat pointed out that I'm often unaware of what I'm shaking on. For example, when I shook the neighbor's hand this morning, I have no clue what I agreed to. None. Cat says this is how the devil buys souls. I will pee on the bed for comfort.
Your tail toss, check your paws. Iggy, how you feeling?
Hey Cheeto, say hi to mommy. Look. Mom looking so pissed. Look at it. Before he went. Oh my god.
Y'all, he love this toy. Look, he will follow me for it. Look how you pick it up. Hey. Oh. And that's how she trips on her ears. I'm about to show you the most dramatic lion ever. Lion, it's time to wake up. Good morning. Good morning, it's time to wake up. Good morning, yes. Good morning, my child.
Kurt, they really want to chirp chirp now. Hey!
Do you want to try some ice cream? A little baby bit of ice cream. You ready for some ice cream? Here you go. There you go. You're figuring it out. Oh, there you go. Do you like that?
Sir, I have questions. I never bought a nearite snail, so how the heck did you get in my tank? This isn't a common pest snail, sir. Where did you come from?
So it came to my attention that Budapest really likes these cat spring things, so I bought her 15 of them.
What are these? Go get them.
Get rid of them, Allie! We can't afford child support! Full vlog on my YouTube channel.